Hello guys, I made this video because this motor 4.6 Ford make noise where you can hear it in the bell holes, very ticking noise, and there is so many videos that address this problem, like starter, flex plate, manual exhaust manifold crack, but in this case the reason is the connecting rod is bended. If you see here, this the new one and this the bend rod. So what happened, the connecting rod pulled the piston lower than should be, and crankshaft touched to the piston lower end and make this ticking noise. So we ordered a new connecting rod, replace the bearing rings and all. This noise disappeared.